So you can also say ayo, ayo instead of aya, aya, ayo, ayo. It's basically the same. It sounds a bit cuter and the characters are a bit more difficult, but we'll break them down later on. And for now, you just have to sort of remember them as a set pair of characters like that. So ayo, ayo is a bit cuter, and it's how you can swear as well in Chinese. You can go, oh damn, or worse than that. And in Chinese, you can just say, ayo, ayo, ayo. You'll be cute and people will like you. Ayo, ayo, ayo.
什么？哎呦，
哎呦，哎呦，
哎呦。